Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So first of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY, US Dollar Currency Index. And as we can see that after Monday market opening, there has not been much change or volatility on the chart of DXY, gold, Euro USD and others. Market is silent. We have already discussed that when market took support at the 200 moving average, market bounced, DXY bounced immediately. But we can see that after that there has not been much volatility in the market. It looks like that more or less market is trading in a downward channel. Buyers in the market does not have the strength to take the market up. So we are looking for a proper direction of the market, because if market has bounced from the support means the place of buyers. So buyers should take the market up, but right now market does not have the strength to go up, and on the other hand market is not going down as well. So let's wait and watch where the DXY moves. Just keep in mind that overall the DXY is an uptrend, and in case you see small red candles breaking the 200 moving average, do not consider it as a breakdown. That can be just a correction. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So on the chart of Euro Dollar, we can see that we have got many levels. Okay, so let's try to understand one by one. First of all, market is standing at 0.9868. 0.9868. So this is the current market price. And if we look at the overall chart, okay, if we look at the overall chart, that after the downtrend right now Euro USD is somehow trying to go for some recovery. Euro USD is trying to recover, but we can see that there is not strong buying power in the market. Euro USD is struggling. It has the intention, but it is struggling. So this is not a clear-cut trending market, so please be careful and please follow proper risk management. Okay, so if Euro USD starts going up from here, the first resistance will be 0.9925. This is our first resistance, this one. Just watch the market around 0.9925 level. Okay, if you see that market is choppy, market looks choppy, and if you see prices being rejected from above, DXY is also not giving clear sign, then you can take a sell position. But in case if you see market approaching this level with a big green candle, then obviously you should avoid taking any sell position. After all, no level is permanent in the market, and you shouldn't forget that. This is the main difference between a trader and a gambler. A trader trades when the opportunity is right. So once market will hit this level here, observe the market. If market reverses, if you see strong price rejection from above, you can take a sell position. But in case market breaks it, no need to do anything, just avoid it. Then you simply wait for the next resistance, second resistance, that is 1.0000 or 0.9980. This is the second resistance for the market, and in this market situation there's a high chance that market will face some selling pressure around this level. If market reverses, you can take a sell position immediately. But my dear friends, I would like to mention one thing here, that these levels are for day trading purpose only. Because see, for positional trading and swing trading, we need a proper direction of the market, because swing trading, positional trading lasts for a couple of days, and if we do not have any clarity about the direction of the market, then in that case we should strictly avoid any swing or positional trades. So it's better to go for day trading only. Okay, so these levels, whatever I'm mentioning right now, are for day trading purpose only, because right now I do not see any clear swing trading opportunity in the market, so I am avoiding. If I miss anything, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, so on the other hand, if market comes down, then 0.9824 to 0.9810, this is the first support for the market, because we have seen that when market faced some selling, previously, this was the level, this was the support zone from where market bounced. So as a result, if market shows price rejection again, we can expect the market to bounce here again. But somehow it looks like a double top kind of a pattern. So please be careful while taking a buy position. No support is permanent. So if you see the market is showing hammer kind of a pattern, bullish engulfing pattern, then only take a buy position in case there is a sudden recovery on the chart of DXY. Okay, in case there is a sudden recovery on the chart of DXY, and if you see market breaking this level, okay, then obviously you should avoid taking any buy position. And if you see that market is breaking the support with good amount of volume, means the size of the candle, okay, then you can take a sell position as well. But right now there is not much volatility, so let's wait for a US session and see how the market performs. If the volatility of the market remains like this, okay, listen to me carefully, if the volatility of the market remains like this, then obviously we can expect the market to bounce from the support, and we can expect the market to reverse from the resistance, and we can take the trade accordingly. Because for a proper breakout or a breakdown, we need a good amount of volume, good amount of volatility. And right now I don't see that kind of crazy volatility in the market, and most importantly, we don't have any news also right now, okay, that will bring any such volatility or craziness to the market that will lead to a proper breakout. Okay, so please be careful, follow proper risk management. And my dear friends, only 3 days left for the workshop, because I am conducting this workshop after 4 to 5 months. So if you're really interested about learning about the market, you can consider this option, because unlike other workshop, this workshop is for those who are struggling with the market right now. Because I was a struggler once, because though I have been trading for 9 years, but the self-learning took 3 years. That's why I have decided, okay, not decided, okay, I took this decision long time ago. So this is a goal, okay, this is a goal for me to spread the knowledge. That's why after conducting the workshop, okay, I also provide support, free support for 1 month. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, you can consider this option. The link is in the description. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, if possible, do not take any heavy lot size, because right now, okay, it's better to wait and watch and for the proper opportunity. Okay, because see, market is not going anywhere. Okay, always keep in mind, market is not going anywhere, but as a retail trader, our capital is limited. Bye bye, take care.